Hello everyone, this is Uncle Frank again, and today we're going to learn how to draw one of the characters from my favorite cartoon, which is Peanuts. So this is going to be Linus Van Pelt. Like all the other characters from Peanuts, we're going to start with this circle, and then I'm going to measure the same size of the circle, which is going to be the end of their shorts. Then I mark the central line and then the line showing where the nose and the eyes are going to be, because they are going to be at about the same height. And then I draw a line from the center going down to the line where I had established for the end of their shorts. I'm going to draw a bit of a belly here on this side, on the side they are going to be facing. And the back of the character is going to be a bit narrower, like this. So you have the division and the basic shape for the body. And I'm gonna divide his shorts so I can have some depth. His legs are just a few lines. And after I have drawn the legs, I'm going to work on the feet. And just like Charlie Brown, it's just gonna be a couple of buns. His feet is gonna go a bit to the back of his leg, and his shoelaces are just some circular lines here. Now his nose is just gonna be a letter C, right in the center of his face, and the eyes are gonna be next to it. And the eyebrows are just going to be two lines going upwards to the center. So I'm going to start his mouth here, and it's just going to be a shaky line crossing his face. So here's his neck, and there's always going to be a shadow under his head. Linus wears a t-shirt. And for this kind of character, when the arms are crossed or when they are folded, they are just gonna look like chicken thighs. So this is one. And the other is gonna be about the same, just a chicken thigh upside down with the fingers on top. Very small ones. So here I'm just drawing the horizontal lines for his shirt. And then I'm gonna draw his blanket. So it can be curvy like this, but let's not exaggerate. And then this line is gonna go down to the floor. A couple of letters A, and then I bring the line again up to his arm. So there's the ear on the other side. And we're gonna draw a few strands of hair coming from the top as if they were coming from the back of his head and coming to the front, like this. They don't have to be perfect, that's fine. So the sketch is ready. Now let me get the liner and finish the line work. Now it's time to get an eraser and get rid of all the pencil lines. For this drawing I decided to use brush pens because they are very comfortable to use, and I think I'm gonna be using them from now on for most of my drawings. And let's see how it turns out. Follow me. And that's it, my friends. Linus Van Pelt is ready. And if you have watched the video up to this point, please don't forget to like it, to leave us a like and subscribe to the channel.